Welcome to our comprehensive guide to Hostinger WordPress hosting. In this video, we'll provide an in-depth look at one of the most popular web hosting solutions available today. Hostinger has been providing fast, reliable, and affordable web hosting services since 2004, and in this video, we'll explore its various features, benefits, pricing plans, and customer support options. Firstly, Hostinger WordPress hosting is a specialized hosting solution that is optimized for WordPress users. This type of hosting is tailored to the unique needs of WordPress websites, making it easy to set up and manage your site. Whether you choose shared hosting, cloud hosting, or VPS hosting, Hostinger provides a range of features that are specifically designed to enhance your website's speed, security, and performance. There are numerous benefits to using Hostinger WordPress hosting. Firstly, it's highly affordable, making it a great choice for those on a tight budget. Additionally, Hostinger offers a free SSL certificate with each plan, which can help improve your website's security and search engine rankings. Hostinger website performance. In terms of performance, Hostinger WordPress hosting is exceptional. The servers are optimized for WordPress, so your website will load quickly and efficiently. This is essential because faster load times can improve user experiences and search engine rankings. Furthermore, Hostinger provides an easy-to-use website builder that enables you to create a professional-looking website without needing any coding knowledge. You can also choose from a variety of templates and customize them to meet your specific needs. Hostinger WordPress hosting's custom control panel is another standout feature, making it easy to manage your website, install plugins, and perform other tasks. Now, let's delve into the features that Hostinger WordPress hosting provides. Firstly, Hostinger offers a one-click installation process for WordPress, making it easy to set up your website. They also provide a range of pre-installed plugins and themes, so you can customize your website to your liking. Hostinger Website Builder. Hostinger WordPress hosting's website builder is another great feature, allowing you to create a professional-looking website without any coding knowledge. The website builder is also mobile-friendly, so your website will look great on any device. Automatic updates for WordPress and its plugins are also provided, which helps keep your website secure and up-to-date. Pricing. Lastly, let's take a look at Hostinger WordPress hosting's pricing plans. Hostinger offers a variety of plans to suit your needs, starting at just $1.99 per month. They provide a range of features with each plan, so you can choose the one that best suits your requirements. Support. Hostinger also has a highly responsive customer support team that is available 24/7 to help you with any issues or questions you may have. They offer a range of support options, including live chat, email, and phone support. In conclusion, Hostinger WordPress hosting is an excellent choice for WordPress users who are looking for an affordable, reliable, and optimized hosting solution. With its exceptional performance, easy-to-use website builder, custom control panel, and excellent customer support, Hostinger is an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced users alike. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.